Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Tamilarasa, your business coach, committed to helping entrepreneurs achieve their dreams faster than ever thought possible. Today we are diving into a topic that's crucial not just for those in the manufacturing industry, but for anyone interested in business innovation and scalability, plastic molding. We are going to explore this transformative technique from the ground up, covering its types, materials used, and the intricacies of the process. We will also look at its benefits, challenges, and how it takes up against other manufacturing. And if you are planning for the future, you will definitely want to stay tuned till the end as we discuss emerging trends that are set to revolutionize this space. Let's get started.
1. Introduction to plastic molding, an overview. Plastic molding is a transformative manufacturing technique that shapes plastic into various forms. It serves as the backbone of many industries, ranging from automotive to healthcare, by providing a fast, reliable, and cost-effective way to create intricate plastic parts. It aims to shed light on the significance of plastic molding in today's manufacturing world, setting the stage for deeper exploration into its different aspects. 2. Types of plastic molding techniques. Several plastic molding techniques exist to meet the specific requirements of various applications. These include injection molding for high-volume, complex parts, blow molding for hollow objects like bottles, and compression molding commonly used in the automotive industry. Each technique comes with its own set of advantages and limitations, offering manufacturers the flexibility to choose the most suitable method for their needs. 3. Materials used in plastic molding. Different plastic molding processes utilize a range of materials, such as thermoplastics like polyethylene and polypropylene, and thermosetting plastics like phenolic and epoxy. The choice of material depends on several factors including the required mechanical strength, temperature resistance, and cosmetic appearance, making it a crucial aspect to consider in any plastic molding project. 4. The plastic molding process, step by step. The plastic molding process involves several steps, starting with material selection and design validation. Next, the selected material is melted and injected into a mold, followed by the cooling and ejection of the formed part. Each step is critical and requires meticulous planning and execution to ensure the final product meets all design and quality specifications. 5. Benefits of plastic molding in manufacturing. Plastic molding offers a host of benefits, such as cost-effectiveness, high-volume production capabilities, and unparalleled precision. These advantages make it an attractive option for manufacturers looking to produce high-quality components efficiently and at scale, thus ensuring its enduring relevance in the world of manufacturing. 6. Common challenges and solutions in plastic molding. Despite its numerous advantages, plastic molding does come with challenges like material wastage, cooling times, and complex part designs. However, these issues can often be mitigated through careful planning, advanced technologies, and adherence to quality control measures, ensuring a successful production run. 7. Plastic molding versus alternative methods. While plastic molding is incredibly versatile, it's essential to compare it with alternative manufacturing methods like 3D printing or CNC machining. Each method offers unique benefits and limitations, making the choice dependent on factors like production volume, material constraints, and complexity of the design. 8. Quality control in plastic molding. Quality control is an integral part of plastic molding. From the initial design validation to in-process monitoring and post-production inspection, strict measures and standards are in place to ensure that the produced parts meet all quality and safety criteria. 9. Case studies, success stories in plastic molding. Real-world case studies further illustrate the impact and potential of plastic molding. These stories range from automotive manufacturers optimizing weight and efficiency to medical device companies scaling up production in times of need, showcasing the versatility and applicability of plastic molding techniques. 10. Future trends in plastic molding. Looking ahead, plastic molding is set to embrace several groundbreaking trends. These include sustainability initiatives, automation through Industry 4.0, development of advanced materials, and increased customization capabilities. Staying updated on these trends is crucial for anyone involved in the manufacturing sector. If you found this guide on plastic molding informative and want to stay updated on future trends, techniques, and insights, make sure to hit the subscribe button below.